Alkanoic acid form series with the general molecular formula, that's CnH subscript 2n plus 1 COOH. Alright, in this video you are going to see the solution to this question, which is the first question here is, which of the following is a mixture? A. Sodium chloride, B. seawater, C. iron fillings, D. granulated sugar. And then the second question, an alkanoic acid has a molecular mass of 88. Its molecular formula is A. CH4H9COOH, B. C5H2COOH, and then C3H5COOH, and D C3H7COOH. And then the first question, a mixture is a material system made up by two or more different substances which are mixed together, so now but are not combined chemically. So a mixture is a compound, okay, or a substance which are not what combined together, but is made up of two or different substances. So here what we have here, the answer is seawater, because seawater is a mixture of sand, water and salt. So it consists of about three things, and they are not chemically combined together because they can be separated. So then the next question, that's question number 2 there, we talk on alkanoic acids. So here we talk on the first question, that's the question number 2. An alkanoic acid has a molecular mass of 88. Its molecular formula is, so here alkanoic acid form homologous series, or homologous series with the general molecular formula. So this is the general molecular formula for alkanoic acid. So therefore we are going to substitute. You know that the mass number of carbon is 12, then you multiply with the n there, with this n, and then you add with this, then you also put it up, you make a general bracket open, and then this one represent what the H, that's for the hydrogen, and then this one is for the subscript, that's 2n, that's the subscript which was the base from the formula here. You know that it was 2n plus 1, so that the same 2n plus 1 will come out here, and then plus 12. So where do we get the 12? That's the C, and then plus 16, that's the O for the oxygen, another 16 again for the oxygen, then the H, which is 1, that's where we got this one, and is equals to 88. This 88 was also given from the question. So from there we are going to have what? 12 times n is 12n, then plus open bracket, because we have to use this one to multiply the open bracket here, which is this one. So we are going to say 1 times 2n, which is 2n, 1 times 1 is 1, plus this 12 plus 16 plus 16 plus 1 is going to give us 45. Then from there we are going to have what? We are going to have our 12n plus 2n. We are opening the bracket, plus 2n plus 1 plus the 45, which is going to give us 12n plus 2n is going to give us 14n plus 1 plus 45 is 46, which is equals to that 88. So from there we are going to have, we'll collect like terms, taking this 46 to this side. So after taking it to that side, we are going to have 14n is equals to 88 minus 46, and 88 minus 46 will give us 42. We have our 14n there, so we are looking for n, so we have to divide both sides by what is attached to n, that's the coefficient of n, that's 14. you divide both sides by 14. So here all over 14, 14 will cancel 14, and then 42 divided by 14 is 3. So n is equals to 3. So therefore the molecular the molecular formula is supposed to be my molecular formula here is going to be C3, because where you see n you substitute it with 3. So we have C3, we have H2 normally is 2n, so that means 2 times 3 plus this one COOH, because this one is not affected, so which is going to give us the C3, and then we have H with the subscript, that's 6 plus 1, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So and then the C3 is also there, and then the COOH, which was not on alter, so it is still there. Okay, all right, so thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. See you in my next video.